and welcome Earth Lovers. My name is Kelly and this is the Ellie Earth channel. Today I have actually found some zero waste shampoo that comes in a box. So you have to DIY your bottle, and how brilliant is that? The other night I was trawling through my wholesaler's website. What I was looking for was some bulk items. So I am wanting to supply in bulk things like dishwashing liquid, hand wash, shampoo, conditioner, those things that people really don't want to swap to hard soaps for. So what I was trying to do is bring a bulk thing so people can BYO their container and come in, get it a bit. And what I found was these products. So Ethique's concentrates. I'm like mind blown, right? Boxes, and you just add your own water and put it in your own like old sauce bottle. Fabulous, great idea. I bought some. I know Christmas is coming up, so I was really wanting to actually put some together in a gift box. I really think anyone who is on the little low waste or no waste lifestyle journey, these are the types of gifts, and I think everyone out there knows someone who is pretty keen on this type of lifestyle. I talk to relatives and they're always like, oh, my sister-in-law or my daughter-in-law or my someone's really into this stuff. So I think everyone sort of knows someone who is aware and conscious of the choices that we make a difference on this beautiful planet. So it's good that we can come together and have these incredibly intelligent choices. We just have to promote them so everyone's aware. So once you know that plastic lasts 400 to 1,000 years, you want to stop buying it. You want to stop using it. You don't want 200 years from now there's just trash everywhere. Like that's all I can imagine. So we're just going to do some unboxing now. Where if we're looking at them, so this particular one it's a gentle concentrate for both shampoo and conditioner for touchy scalps, and it is unscented. So there is a how to make section, the ingredients section. Ethique is proudly certified palm oil free, cruelty free and vegan. All our ingredients are derived from non-palm sources such as rice, bran or coconut oil. So that's something we're always looking for. It is biodegradable and safe for septic tank and grey water use, which is also very important. And if we're wanting to reuse our water from the shower, that is perfect. So it says it's made in New Zealand, just like me, and I am so proud of them. Go them. And it even says Christchurch, yes. So the little blurb is, don't like plastic, neither do we, so this box is perfect for you. Simply mix the concentrate bars with boiling water and you've got a fresh batch of liquid shampoo minus the plastic bottle. So made with naturally derived and ethical sourced ingredients and packaged in certified compostable cardboard packaging. It educates you a little bit about plastic bottles, which is great. So bottled products are bad for the planet. Only 9% of all plastic ever made has been recycled, and the products in them are typically made up of 70 to 95% water. But they get it. Not everyone likes bars, which is totally true. And the answer is the concentrate. So we provide naturally derived and sustainably sourced active ingredients in a compostable cardboard box, and you add water. So one concentrate saves 700 mils of water and one plastic bottle from manufacture and disposal into landfill. So join us on the revolution. And then it's just got compostable package, cruelty-free and vegan, certified palm oil free and certified B-corp. I apologize, it's very small writing and I need glasses because I'm old. Definitely external use and how to use. Thoroughly wet your hair and apply shampoo to your roots. Massage until you have a rich lather, then rinse through thoroughly and follow with a conditioner if needed. So I'm actually doing both products and let's do it. Beautiful. So it does have a sticker which says even this sticker is certified compostable. Okay. So this is the shampoo. It's obviously the bigger one. The 2 bars make the bottle. So I'm just going to break them up. Ooh, yep, easy. And this one needs 300 mils. So that's 300 mils, and I'm just gonna, I tipped it everywhere. Pour it in there. It needs 325. my god, it actually looks like white chocolate. Still no smell. Looks delicious. Okay, so I have actually got 2 whisks here, just I didn't want to cross-contaminate. The conditioner one is looking good. Obviously it's probably a bit more oily. So we just whisk it up, leave it to cool is the idea. The conditioner is virtually pretty much done easily. This is probably just needing a bit of a soak. I'm refraining from wanting to put some more hot water in there. I'm presuming that would muck up the recipe. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So, there's still a bit there. Still got a few clumps. I'm still going. Looks pretty. Looks like cream. Or pavlova, because it's very glossy. Okay, that looks good. All the lumpy bits are gone. And it took a bit of work. I'm very excited. So this one is my shampoo. Can I touch it? It's warm, but that's alright. It's not hot at all. Anything? Let's see how it goes. I'm not very good at getting it. Well, there was some little bits down the bottom. So that is the shampoo, conditioner. I might actually leave the lids off for a bit, let it cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna let them cool down and then I will go and have a shower, wash my hair and let you know how that goes. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to know when the review video will be uploaded. I'll be back with a full review of what I think about these shampoo and conditioner concentrates. Until then, have an awesome week.